Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to check in online for Japan Airlines. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open your preferred browser and search for Japan Airlines. Search until you find the official Japan Airlines website and open it. Once the site loads, scroll down and here you will see boarding or check-in option. Click on it. You'll be taken to the next page where you need to select whether it is domestic flight or international flight. Let's say we have international flight and then click on this check-in option. Wait for it to load until this page loads. Next, you'll need to confirm your passenger and flight details. Choose the identification type you used when booking, then enter your booking reference. Make sure you have all your details ready beforehand, including the departure date shown on your ticket, your family name and given name exactly as written on the booking, the airline code, and the flight number. Once everything is entered correctly, click Continue. After that, you may be able to select your seat if seat selection is available. You can also complete any baggage declarations if required. Finally, you should be able to receive your boarding pass as a PDF. You can download it to your device or print it out if you prefer. That's basically how you check in online with Japan Airlines, and hopefully this helps you out. See you in the next one. Thanks.